Feeling lost in the time warp of project management? Let's streamline your workflow by integrating Clockify directly into Asana for effortless time tracking. First, head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for the Clockify Time Tracker extension. Once you found it, and make sure it's the official Clockify extension, click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear, asking for permissions. Click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. With the extension installed, navigate to your Asana workspace. Open any task within your Asana project. You should now see a Clockify icon, a small timer, next to the task name or within the task details. If you don't see it right away, refresh your Asana page. Click this Clockify icon to start tracking time directly on that specific Asana task. The Clockify timer will start automatically. You can stop it when you're finished working on the task. The track time will then be saved directly within Clockify, linked to that Asana task. Now you can accurately track time spent on different Asana tasks and improve time management. Clockify will help you estimate future project timelines, track your team's productivity, and optimize your work processes. Thanks for watching.